Welcome to our video, 10 small towns in Pennsylvania with the most extreme weather. In this journey, we'll explore some of the most interesting towns across the state that experience weather like no other, from the frigid winters of Erie to the unpredictable conditions of Johnstown. Each town has its own unique characteristics shaped by extreme weather patterns that can often leave residents awe-inspired or scrambling for shelter. Join us as we uncover the fascinating stories behind these towns while reflecting on humanity's place in the cosmos and emphasizing the importance of wonder, not panic, in the face of nature's extremes. 1. Erie. Nestled along the shores of Lake Erie, the town of Erie is no stranger to extreme weather conditions, especially during the winter months. The city is widely recognized for its lake effect snow, a phenomenon that occurs when cold air passes over the warmer waters of Lake Erie. This results in heavy snowfall that can blanket the town in a matter of hours. Residents often find themselves shoveling out of snowdrifts taller than the average person. Despite the harsh winters, Erie's residents have adapted to the challenges presented by Mother Nature. The town is equipped with snow removal infrastructure and the community spirit is strong, with neighbors helping each other during the toughest of storms. 2. Punxsutawney. Famously known for its Groundhog Day celebrations, Punxsutawney is also notable for its cold winters. Frigid temperatures and significant snowfall are common, turning the town into a winter wonderland. The cold can be biting, and the snow piles up, creating a picturesque yet challenging environment. Residents often rely on local lore, with Punxsutawney Phil, the town's groundhog, predicting the length of winter. Despite the icy conditions, the community comes together to celebrate its unique heritage with festivals and events that embrace the cold. 3. Scranton. Scranton, a city that has become a symbol of resilience, faces its share of severe weather. Winters in Scranton are marked by heavy snow and ice storms that can bring daily life to a halt. The city also experiences warm summers, often accompanied by thunderstorms that light up the sky. The combination of cold winter months and warm summer days creates a dynamic climate that keeps residents on their toes. Scranton's ability to weather these extremes speaks to the toughness of its people, who have adapted to the ever-changing climate. 4. Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh is a city that truly experiences all four seasons, each bringing its own weather challenges. Winters are cold and snowy, often leading to icy roads and sidewalks. Summers, on the other hand, are hot and humid, with temperatures soaring and sometimes leading to severe storms. The transition between these seasons can be abrupt, making it essential for Pittsburghers to be prepared for anything. The city's unique topography, with its many hills and rivers, adds to the complexity of its weather patterns. Despite these challenges, Pittsburgh thrives, with its residents taking the weather in stride. 5. Bethlehem. Bethlehem is a town that experiences weather extremes that can be quite dramatic. The winters are cold, with significant snowfall that can transform the landscape into a snowy paradise. However, the summers are hot, with temperatures that can climb uncomfortably high. This fluctuation between hot and cold creates a climate that is both challenging and beautiful. Bethlehem's residents have learned to adapt, embracing the winter sports and summer activities that the weather allows. The town's history and charm are only enhanced by its dynamic climate, making it a unique place to live. 6. Lancaster. Lancaster is known for its picturesque landscapes and a mix of weather patterns that keep things interesting. Summers are hot and humid, often leading to severe thunderstorms that can be both captivating and dangerous. Winters are cold, with the potential for snow and ice that can make travel difficult. This combination of weather extremes requires residents to be prepared for anything, from summer heatwaves to winter storms. Despite these challenges, Lancaster remains a vibrant community, with its rich history and culture shining through all seasons. 7. Altoona. Altoona experiences temperature extremes throughout the year, making it a place where residents must be ready for anything. Winters are cold, with snow and ice that can turn the town into a winter wonderland. Summers, on the other hand, can be hot, with temperatures that soar and make outdoor activities challenging. The ability to adapt to these extremes is a hallmark of Altoona's residents, who have learned to embrace the weather in all its forms. The town's resilience is evident in its thriving community and its ability to bounce back from any weather-related challenges. 8. Reading. In Reading, the weather can be as diverse as the town itself. Summers are humid, with heavy precipitation that can lead to occasional flooding. Winters are cold, often bringing winter storms that can blanket the town in snow. This combination of weather extremes requires residents to be vigilant and prepared for whatever comes their way. Despite the challenges posed by the weather, Reading remains a dynamic community, with its residents showing a remarkable ability to adapt and thrive in all conditions. 9. Williamsport. Williamsport is a town that knows how to handle its fair share of severe weather. Cold winters bring snow and ice, often creating a picturesque yet challenging environment. Summers are warm, with the potential for severe thunderstorms that can bring heavy rain and strong winds. This dynamic climate keeps residents on their toes, always ready to adapt to the changing conditions. The town's community spirit is strong, with neighbors coming together to support each other during the toughest weather events. 10. Johnstown. After shedding its outer layers, the sun's core will collapse into a white dwarf. This remnant will be a dense, Earth-sized object that will glow faintly for trillions of years. Any planets that survive will orbit a dead star in a cold, dark solar system. The sun's transformation into a white dwarf marks the end of its life cycle, leaving behind a quiet legacy in the vastness of space. 11. Reflections. Humanity's place in the cosmos. The sun's eventual demise highlights our fragility in the grand scheme of the cosmos. It also emphasizes the importance of understanding our place in the universe. As Orla Creevy, a scientist with ESA's Gaia project, said, "If we don't understand our own sun, how can we understand the galaxy?" This knowledge drives the need for continued space exploration and stewardship of our planet. 12. A call to wonder, not panic. While the sun's expansion is an inevitable event, it is still far off in the future. Humanity faces more immediate challenges today, such as climate change and potential asteroid impacts. By investing in science and preparedness, we can address these threats effectively. Our ancestors looked at the stars with wonder, and we must continue to do so, driven by curiosity rather than fear.